Woo beep beep beep. The Dreadlock Girl Chronicles Act 1. Rise of the Sound Rebel. Track 01. Woo beep beep beep. Because every revolution needs a soundtrack. The bass drops. The walls shake. And the air? The air is thick with heat, sweat, and rebellion. I feel it before I hear it, the ripple in the crowd, the shifting tension like a vinyl scratch before a drop. Meld's drones are coming. But not yet. Not before I wreck their frequency first. I twist a dial on my wrist deck, sending a ripple of sound through my cybernetic dreadlocks. The neon threads woven into my hair pulse with color, syncing with the beats blasting from the speakers around me. The underground club, the echo chamber, is packed wall to wall with every kind of misfit, hacker, and sound warrior the city's got left. Bodies move in sync with the bass. Vibrations control us all. And tonight? Tonight, my beats aren't just making people dance. They're making them fight back. The soundstorm begins. I raise a gloved fist. The crowd roars. The moment my fingers drop, boom. The bass line crashes down like a tidal wave of sound, shaking the club's foundation. LED wires tremble in their casings. Hollow signs flicker. Even the ceiling drips condensation from the sheer sonic force. Every beat I spin is weaponized. Every drop is a punch to the system. And Meld knows it. That's why they're coming. The second my signature frequency, woo beep beep beep, hits the airwaves, I know they'll be scrambling. Eye patrols? Glitched. Surveillance? Scrambled. They're neural subduers? Fried. Meld controls everything in this city: sound, mood, compliance. Except me. Except us. This beat? This is war. Enter the hunters. The first sign of trouble ain't the sirens. It's the silence. My crowd, my people, don't do silence. Not unless something's gone wrong. Then I feel it, a ripple of static crawling up my spine. I cut the music mid-drop. The whole club goes dark. Neon flickers out. Holograms shudder. The room collapses into a dead hum, like a microphone shorting out before a live audience. Someone in the back gasps, clutching their ears. Then the deep, metallic hum of MELD's frequency suppressors fills the air. They're here. The hunters. Metallic drones slice through the smoke-filled club, hovering just above the crowd. Their red sensor eyes scan the room, searching for illegal sound distortions, for me. For the girl with the bass-heavy rebellion in her blood. And just like that, the party turns into a battlefield. Run OR Remix? Zora, a voice crackles in my ear. Ayo, my second in command. You gotta bounce. They'll shut you down. I grin. They can try. I slam my palm onto my wrist deck, twisting the dial past its safety limit. My cybernetic dreadlocks spark to life, pulsing with raw energy as I send a counter frequency through the club. It's a sonic middle finger straight to MELD's digital face. Woo. The drones lurch in the air. Beep beep beep. Boom. They drop like dead satellites, their systems overloaded by my anti-signal hack. The crowd? They lose their minds. Cheering. Laughing. Throwing hands in the air like we just stole back the sun. For one glorious, chaotic moment, we own the city's frequency. But it doesn't last. Because MELD never fights fair. A second wave of enforcers storms the building. These ones ain't drones. They're real. Armor-clad. Armed. Ready to crush this rebellion with sound-neutralizing guns and compliance-locked tasers. And me? I got 30 seconds before they see my face and lock my ass up for good. Ayo's voice explodes in my earpiece. Zora, move. The escape mix. I vault the DJ booth, landing in a crouch on the sticky floor. My boots hit the baseline, and I run. Through the crowd. Past the neon-splattered walls. Over a knocked-over hollow table displaying an ad for some brainwashing tech. I dodge a grab from a security brute twice my size, flipping over his outstretched arm like I'm born in zero gravity. Then, I hit the back alley door. It slams open, spilling me into the neon jungle outside. The city hums around me. Hollow screens flashing ads, the sound of hoverbikes whining past, and somewhere, in the distance, the eerie hum of MELD's omnipresent surveillance towers. I got two choices. 1. Blend in and disappear. 2. Keep the beat going. What do you think I picked? I grab a sound grenade from my belt, toss it behind me, and let it drop a final woo beep 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 into the air. Then, I run. Because tonight's just the first track. And this city? It hasn't heard my loudest beat yet. Track 02. The Dreadlock Data. Wherein I discover that my hair is smarter than me. My lungs are on fire. My boots slap against the rain-slick pavement as I duck into a back alley, heart pounding a beat faster than my last track. That raid was too fast. Too clean. Meld's enforcers don't usually move like that. Something's off. I jam myself into the shadow of a rusted-out hover rickshaw, swallowing gulps of oxygen like I just won a foot race against death himself. Neon signs flicker overhead, 100 different lies being sold at light speed, skin mods, dream stimulants, neural augments that promise happiness in 6 seconds or less. No thanks. I got enough voices in my head already. Speaking of Zora. Ao's voice explodes into my earpiece, sharp and pissed. You wanna tell me what the hell that was? That drop you hit back there, it wasn't just a sound bomb. It was a goddamn war cry. I rub my temples. Not now, Ao. Not now? Not now? Z. Do you realize MELD's running citywide scans for your signature? You're top of the hit list. You. I mute him. Not because he's wrong. But because something's crawling through my skull. The glitch in my hair. It starts as a buzz. Faint. Insistent. A mosquito in my brain. I squeeze my eyes shut, trying to shake it. Then, static floods my vision. I blink. And suddenly, the world fractures. My optics malfunction, flashing with data I didn't ask for. Glowing symbols. Jagged code. Strange, pulsing glyphs moving too fast to process. Then, images. A black-gloved hand plugging a drive into a terminal. A government database, deep underground, with security walls thicker than a bank vault. A stolen Meld prototype, a frequency disruptor capable of shutting down the entire system. And at the center of it all? Me. Or rather, my hair. My stomach lurches. I stumble back against the alley wall, my pulse a drum solo gone wrong. My dreadlocks aren't just cybernetic. They're a freaking storage drive. And they're holding data I did not put there. A bad hair day, but worse. I yank out my pocket terminal and patch a direct link into my scalp port, fingers flying over the keys. The files are encrypted as hell, but I've been hacking since before I could spell my own name. I start the decryption sequence, watching as the first lines of data unravel like a dirty corporate secret. Ao's voice comes back, lower now. Worried. Z, you okay? No. Oh no, I am not okay. Because I know what I'm looking at now. And if this is real, Meld is hiding something. Something big. Something so dangerous, they'd rather burn the whole city down than let it slip. And now? It's in my goddamn hair. The files reveal. I scan through the data as fast as my shaking hands allow. MELD's true purpose, not just city surveillance, but full emotional control. Their latest update doesn't just monitor mood patterns, it reprograms them. A list of test subjects, people who were altered without their knowledge. The list is long. Some of the names? Familiar. The prototype file, a schematic for something called Project Frequency Zero. A sound-based EMP that could wipe out every AI system in a 5-mile radius. I stare at the last one, my breath catching. Meld's biggest fear? A sound that could shut them off. And guess what? It's in my damn head. Decisions. I sag against the alley wall, brain spinning like a turntable in overdrive. I have 3 options. 1. Delete the files. Walk away. Pretend I never saw them. Yeah, right. 2. Sell them. Get out of the city, live fat off some rich underground buyer who'd kill for this data. Tempting, but nah. 3. Use them. Find the prototype. And maybe, just maybe, take Meld down for good. My hands tighten into fists. There's only one choice, really. I tap my earpiece, unmuting AO. We need to move. Z? I got something in my hair. And trust me, you're gonna want to hear this. Track 03. The Sound of Oppression. Wherein I learn that the government is playing us like a damn mixtape. The first time I hear it, I don't even realize I'm hearing it. That's the scary part. It's a whisper in the air, a frequency so low it slithers beneath the senses, coiling tight around your brainstem. Not a sound you notice, a feeling you accept. Like an old song playing in the background of a dream. Like a thought that isn't yours. Like control. Welcome to Harmony. I'm sitting in a grimy noodle shack, trying to act normal. Trying to process the classified dystopian nightmare currently stored in my dreadlocks. Ao's across from me, slurping his bowl like he ain't just learned that our entire city is being emotionally programmed like a damn auto-tuned pop song. So you're telling me meld can make people feel whatever they want? Like happiness, fear, hunger? I nod, stabbing at my noodles with unnecessary aggression. Not just that, they're tuning the whole city to their desired frequency. He whistles. Damn, that's some next-level psychological colonization. I glare. He's not wrong. Meld's biggest advantage is the one nobody questions: control through sound. Every street announcement. Every government broadcast. Every goddamn PA system in the city is laced with hidden frequencies meant to mold the public's emotions. Too much resistance? Dial up the compliance tones. Rebellion brewing? Broadcast apathy waves. The city feels normal because the city is being told to feel normal. And now that I know, I can't unhear it. The frequency hits. The noodle shack's hollow TV flickers to life. Warning: citywide announcement. Please remain calm. Warning. I freeze. My breath catches. Because the second the voice starts speaking, something shifts inside me. Sickly warmth oozes into my brain, wrapping around my spine like a weighted blanket. The noodles in my mouth turn to ash, but somehow, I don't care. The announcement plays. Greater than, good citizens of Harmony, we are pleased to report that tonight's disturbances have been contained. Order has been restored. Your safety is our highest priority. Please proceed with your daily activities and smile. I watch the people around me. The old woman behind the counter, who had been cussing out a street vendor 2 seconds ago. Now she's smiling softly to herself. The sweaty office worker, who'd been shaking his leg like he wanted to deck someone. He suddenly relaxes, sipping his drink like life's a warm bath. The entire shack goes calm. Like a switch flipped. Like a DJ dropped a hypnotic track on the entire damn city. My fingers twitch against the table. My mind screams at me to panic, resist, run, but I don't. Because I can't. The frequency is suffocating my emotions, muting my fear, smoothing out my edges like I'm a song getting remastered against my will. I don't even realize my hand is shaking until Ao grabs my wrist. His grip is too tight. His eyes are too sharp. He's feeling it, too. Zora, he says, low and dangerous. Yeah? I think we just got played. Breaking the spell, I rip out my earpiece. The dull buzz of the broadcast cuts out. And instantly, the calm shatters. My pulse slams back into my body, hard and erratic. My skin crawls. I suck in a ragged breath as my brain readjusts, like someone just yanked the oxygen mask off my face. Oh, hell, no. Ao's already moving. He yanks a pocket scanner from his jacket, tuning into the background noise of the city like a pirate intercepting radio waves. Shit, Z, he mutters, adjusting the dial. It's everywhere. The crosswalk signals, the damn traffic lights, hell, even the elevator music is rigged. I grip the table's edge. My heartbeat is a snare drum gone rogue. This isn't just control. This is mind-jacking on a citywide scale. Meld isn't just watching us. They're remixing reality. A new kind of war. One exhale through my teeth, my fingers tapping a rhythmic staccato against my wrist deck. This whole time, we've been fighting Meld like they were a dictatorship. Like they were some faceless big brother we could out-hack, outrun, outmaneuver. But they're not. They're a DJ. And they've been playing us like a club full of hypnotized dancers. This ain't about data theft anymore. This ain't about me hiding my rebellious ass from their drones. This is about breaking their beat. I meet Ao's gaze. He's already there, eyes flashing like the bass just dropped. Tell me you got a plan, he says. I grin. Oh, I got a plan, all right. I reach up, twisting one of my cybernetic dreadlocks, activating the encrypted files hiding inside. Because if Meld is rewriting reality with sound, it's about time somebody remixed the remix.